Now, just 2 days after the horrific explosion that killed over 130 people in Beirut, serious concerns have been raised now about tons of chemical explosives that are stored at a private container near Chennai in southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Nearly 700 tons of ammonium nitrate is stored in a private container freight station 20 kilometers north of Chennai port. Sources have told WION that the chemicals are in safe custody and that they are currently being prepared for disposal using e-auction process. However, the chemical has been stocked up in this location for over 5 years, as it was seized in 2015 by the Customs Department after the importer failed to produce a valid license for the same. Now, officials also said that the large consignment of this chemical was meant to reach Sivakasi in Tamil Nadu, known for its large-scale fireworks industry. The explosion that took place in Beirut has already killed 137 people and injured over 5,000. The reason that is being cited is ammonium nitrate, the same chemical that is stored in large dangerous quantities in northern Chennai as well. Just as in Beirut, the chemical is stored near the port in Chennai. The facility is just 20 kilometers away and any mishap could be devastating for the state capital. Experts also suggest that an explosion of 700 tons of ammonium nitrate could be felt around 5-mile radius. Ramados, the MK chief and ally of the ruling party in Tamil Nadu, along with activists and other environmental experts in the state, have now demanded safe disposal of the explosive chemicals. They have also appealed to the chief minister to address the concern immediately. Now, for more details, let's quickly go across to our correspondent Siddharth MP, who's joining me live at this hour from Chennai. Siddharth, a very warm welcome to you. Now, the concerns raised by the Tamil Nadu politicians are very valid. What's equally worrisome is that the stored ammonium nitrate was seized 5 years earlier in 2015. Why hasn't it been disposed of by now? What are Customs Department officials saying?
Well, we have learned from highly placed sources that in about 1 month's time these chemicals are likely to be disposed because the e-auction has proceeded smoothly, and it's very likely that a large quantity or perhaps all of these chemicals would be disposed safely, or rather than disposed we should use the word sold, because the auction is proceeding as they had wanted, and one of the bidders has agreed to take these chemicals for a part of its original declared value. It was initially told that it is valued at 1.8 crore rupees, and now for a certain percentage of that total value these chemicals will be sold to a particular bidder, and we are being told that this is being kept in a secure facility, and we are being told that this facility is also not having any human inhabitation in and around or around it. There are no human inhabitation for about 2 kilometers. Right. And this is what highly placed sources are telling us, and it is very likely that in about 1 month's time these chemicals will be handed over safely, or rather sold via the e-auction route to the highest bidder that wants to buy them. So in 5 years time, yes, there has been High Court litigation also. Right. But of course, the High Court has ruled that the customs officials who are right actually in seizing these chemicals, because the company which imported them in 2015 did not have the requisite explosives license to import these harmful chemicals, or rather explosives.
Right, well said. Now, in Lebanon, early investigations have blamed government negligence for the Beirut explosion. Shouldn't the Tamil Nadu government now take a cue from Lebanon and avert an impending disaster in Chennai?
Of course, right now we are given to understand that all India there is a sudden move that the CBIC has initiated and asked all the authorities, not just in Tamil Nadu, but this incident has actually raised eyebrows, and people across the country, the customs officials have been instructed strictly to actually inspect all these godowns, warehouses and customs facilities where any such hazardous materials, be it explosives or chemicals, may be stored after seizure or even during transit. So right now at the Chennai port, we are given to understand that 5 years ago this particular consignment was seized, and these were 37 containers, and these were large containers, hard to hide, about 20 feet in size. 37 containers, each of them carrying huge amounts of this explosive chemical ammonium nitrate. And we are given to understand, and also WION has accessed exclusive visuals where we are given to understand that these are kept in a secured facility, and officials have assured us that these are kept in a designated facility, container freight station, that is almost 2 kilometers away from the nearest inhabitation. But certainly we can expect that in 1 month's time, and this is what officials have assured beyond, that in 1 month's time this will be entirely disposed of and sold to the bidder.
Right, so for 1 month's time, that's the time frame. We'll have to wait and watch and see how this situation actually pans out. For now, thank you so much, Siddharth MP, for bringing us all the latest.